Hello, I'm going to show you how to force update your Discord app on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. This is especially useful if you have issues where certain embeds are not loading or Discord as a whole feels slightly unresponsive. The first thing we need to do is ensure that Discord is completely closed. So we go down to the hidden icons in the taskbar down here in the bottom right. Find Discord, right click, then click Quit Discord. Once we've done that, right click on your taskbar and open up Task Manager. Click on Processes, and then in the search bar above, type in Discord. We want to ensure that there are no process remnants running in the background. Once we've done that, we can now search for Discord again or double click it if it's on your desktop. Open it again. And then you can see as it's starting, quite often this is when updates will occur during this process. So if you keep Discord open permanently, it's understandable why you might not get an update. If this still didn't force the update, another thing we can do is head on down to the bottom right again, find Discord, right click on it, and then click check for updates. And finally, if you're still having issues, if you open up your search bar and then search for add or remove programs, under installed apps, search for Discord, and then on the very right with three dots, click that and then uninstall it and then install it fresh. And between all of these different methods, this should now have fixed your issue. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.